So let us see one more problem based on trigonometric identities. This is also very simplest problem and very shortest model. What it is, let us see. We need to show that sine power 4a minus cos power 4a is equal to, we need to show three results. One result would be your sine square a minus cos square a, and second result would be 2 sine square a minus 1, and third result would be 1 minus 2 cos square a. Don't be panic. Once again, I am telling you, if you obtained the first result, you can convert them into second and third. Okay, from this you can obtain second and third. Okay, don't need to worry about. Just first start doing that. Okay, let us write down. Let us take LHS part. Very simplest one. Okay, sine to the power of 4a minus cos to the power of 4a, right? And for my convenience, I want to write this as sine power 4a can be written as sine square a whole square. We can write it like this or not? Yes. So minus cos square a whole square, right? Now tell me here, if you consider sine square a as a and cos square a as b, then is this in the form of a plus b, a square minus b square or not? So which can be further splitted into what? A plus b into a minus b, which is standard algebraic identity. Means this is a standard formula from algebra, right? So we can convert that into that form. Here sine square a is a and cos square a is b, then a square minus b square. So this can be further splitted into a plus b. A plus b means what? Sine square a plus cos square a into, what is a minus b? Sine square a minus cos square a. Sine square a minus cos square a, right? Now what did you identify here? Is this representing first trigonometric identity or not? Exactly. So value of it would be how much? 1. So let us put down 1 here. 1 into sine square a minus cos square a, which is equal to sine square a minus cos square a. So we obtained our first result or not? Yes, we obtained our first RHS part here. So this is the first RHS part you obtained. This is RHS part you obtained. Okay. Now, but here we shouldn't stop the problem, because we need to get 2 more results. Okay. By just doing rearrangements of these terms, we can get it. Means we can just change the form. Now tell me, here sine square a minus cos square a we obtained. Okay. Okay, let me write down once again. Sine square a minus cos square a we got. Okay. Now tell me, here we need to obtain second answer in terms of only sine square a. Okay, in terms of only sine square a. Okay, so cos square theta should be eliminated from there. So convert here. Cos square a can be written as what? Here take sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So here if you bring this sine square a to another side of the equation, then what happens? Cos square a can be written as, okay, here cos square a becomes minus, because on going that side symbol get changes. Okay, so what happens here? 1 minus sine square a. Okay, so just see here, sine square a write as it is. So minus, in place of cos square a, you can put down the value. So what is that? 1 minus sine square a. Take care, because minus symbol is in front of that. Please put the bracket. Now open the bracket now. Sine square a minus into plus minus 1 minus into minus plus sine square a. Now sine square a and sine square a added 2 times to get 2 sine square a. Here minus 1 will be written as it is. Sine square a and sine square a added together, and now minus 1 is written as it is. So I think we got our second option also. Okay, so this is your second RHS part. Okay, now let me write here third part. Take the first answer once again. This sine square a minus cos square a. Now here we need to convert this answer is 1 minus 2 cos square a, so we need to convert all the terms of the expression into cos. So how to convert it? So again, take the advantage of sin square a plus cos square a. How do you use it? Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, now take this cos square a to another side of the equation, then it becomes sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a, right? So wherever you are getting sin square a, you can replace it with what? 1 minus cos square a. Just in place of sin square a, put 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. Here minus cos square a, write it as it is. Now tell me, here this is 1 minus cos square a and minus cos square a, because symbol is same, it can be added and we can put the same symbol. Okay, so therefore minus 2 cos square a, right? So I think we obtained our third RHS also, right? So therefore this is our third RHS. So in the moment when you get a question, when you will be given a question to prove 2 or 3 results, you don't need to be panic. First you obtain the first result, and from that you can obtain second one and third one and fourth one. Like how many you will be given, you can solve it. Understood? Like this we can solve it. Anyways guys, let me tell you one thing, that if you have any doubts or if you want to ask me anything else from this topic, don't forget to put your comments in the comment section. We'll definitely go through the comment section and we'll try to make the videos on your opinions from the comment section.